Hi, I'm RJ and welcome to Keto Over 50. Today I am going to make such a treat. I'm going to make soft serve ice cream. I first saw this recipe on Victoria's Keto Kitchen. She said it takes 12 hours to set. And it's supposed to be soft serve like a frozen custard. I found it's just great at 3 hours or 4 hours. It just doesn't need that long to set. And there's only 4 ingredients, maybe a few more, if you want to add additional flavorings. So you start with granulated allulose, super simple, 1/4 cup, and that's good enough. And then 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And I have to tell you, the best thing about this is I buy this big one at Costco, because it's about the same price as the littler ones in other stores. And then I end up throwing away half of it. So ever since I discovered this ice cream recipe, I haven't thrown any out. So I'm always using it for this, which is super simple and easy. And then you just want to add allulose. Liquid allulose is super important instead of sugar or erythritol or the powdered allulose that's already in there. And you want to put in a tablespoon. I always think it's 3 tablespoons, but I was using my teaspoon, and 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. So I screwed myself up there. It's okay. 1 tablespoon of liquid allulose, 1/4 cup of the powdered allulose. And then she said use liquid vanilla extract, which I do because that was in the recipe. But I also use powdered, before I get this wet, powdered vanilla extract. And I got this on Amazon, and it's just okay. I expected it to taste like vanilla bean ice cream from like we've always had since I was a kid. And it didn't have that. I think next time I'll buy vanilla beans and scrape out the insides, the seeds. But what I'm doing is using that and a little extra shot of liquid vanilla extract. Like a lot of flavor. The greatest thing about this is you can have it vanilla. I make banana. When I was a kid growing up, I absolutely loved banana popsicles, that fake, awful banana flavor. I love it. So I use banana extract, and I found these, I think I got them at Home Goods or TJ Maxx, little containers, silicone containers. And so I will make 1 batch. I'll take some of this out and make banana, and I'll make chocolate. Coffee with chocolate is amazing. And then Hershey has sugar-free syrup, which is not great for you because I think it has sucralose in it. But how often are you eating it? A little chocolate syrup on your ice cream once in a while. So you can put in chocolate chunks. You can put in Lily's. You can put in some Lily's dark chocolate chips or white chocolate chips. You can put in keto graham crackers and chocolate chips and kind of make it like s'mores. The white chocolate chips taste a lot like mushroom. Did I just say that? The white chocolate chips taste a lot like marshmallow, the other mush word. Okay, so I'm going to beat this up, and seriously, it will take 2 minutes, barely. So there you have it, stiff peaks that hold their shape and fluffy like that. That's pretty. So it's already vanilla, which is fantastic. I'm going to make some of my favorite banana. Let me show you how hard that is to do. It's not hard at all. It is so super simple. And I'm going to make enough to fill one of these little silicone containers. And this is imitation banana. It's just what I wanted. And I put about a 1/2 capful in. It's too much. Okay, and I just mix it up. This is really, you don't even have to know how to cook to make yourself some ice cream. It's just fantastic. Look, that's it. That's all there is to it. And then I put the yellow in the banana in I put the banana in the banana colored one. Okay, it's a little dark. Maybe this should be for peach. I have made peach, I've made strawberry, I've made chocolate. Coffee with chocolate sauce is very good too. So I'm just getting the last little bit out of this. And I'm telling you, in about 4 hours, it will be ready to go and amazing. Absolutely amazing. Got more on my hand than I did in the container. Okay, so there's one down. And now we're going to make the chocolate and coffee chocolate, because coffee, espresso, and coffee really brings out the flavor of chocolate. So maybe we are. I can't get this open. It dried on there. Okay, so I'm going to use just a little bit of liquid pure coffee extract. Okay, that was not a little bit. That was a lot. And I also like, just like I use the vanilla extract and the vanilla powder, I'm going to use a little bit of espresso powder to go with the espresso extract. Just a little bit. Don't want it to keep me up at night. And again, we're just going to mix it. And remember, we made it all vanilla for starters. And then we're going to do this with the coffee. And you can use unsweetened baking cocoa, which you can get just anywhere, or you can use cacao powder, which is fabulous because it's 2 carbs and one of those is fiber. So it's only 1 net carb, and that's for a teaspoon. So there we go with that. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of the cocoa too. It has together and along with the coffee extract, it will give you an amazing chocolate flavor. So just a little bit, maybe a little bit more. There's just not a lot left in there, so I don't want to overwhelm it. And then just in the big bowl, so you can see that. It's so simple. I wanted to do this video because I was out of ice cream. And I thought, well, this is going to be one of the first things I do is make the ice cream. And we'll put it in the pink and the blue. I think these are, 200 milliliters each. And I'm pretty sure I picked them up at Home Goods or TJ Maxx, one of the little discount stores, for $5 or $6. They have some really nice ice cream containers on Amazon, which is what Victoria had used. I think there's more room in there. Well, anyway, she has a nice, it looks like a quart. I don't have room for that in my freezer. I have too much meat in my freezer to put in a quart of ice cream. And besides, these are nice. Each one of these, I'll eat half of one night and half of it the next night after dinner. I have a sweet tooth that won't quit. And that's why I thought for anyone else who has a sweet tooth, they might be really excited to have this recipe. I wasn't even really an ice cream lover. I'm a chocolate girl. I think desserts should be chocolate and gooey, like flourless chocolate cake or lava cake. There's some recipes for lava cake that are keto too, usually with allulose or erythritol, and you're done. And I only blended it for about 2 minutes and it was all done. That's it. It doesn't get easier than this. And as far as the carbs, the heavy whipping cream is, it is higher calorie. So you want to be careful that you're not just shoveling this like 4 pints a day. Like I said, I eat a half of one of these every other day or every 2 days because it is high calories. And while we don't care too much about calories on keto, if you're trying to lose weight, you want to watch it too. But boy, even just a few bites of this in the evening or any time of the day, actually, in your favorite flavor, strawberries, peaches, like I said, coffee raspberry, black raspberry with chocolate chips would be amazing. You could add mint extract, whatever your favorite is, you can put it in this super simple soft serve ice cream. So try it. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and share this with your friends who also have sweet tooths. I'll see you next time.